Hey everybody, I wanted to make a quick video on the Logitech H800 Bluetooth headset, which is really designed for an office environment. And I'm really glad I picked up a set of these. These work great in the office. So let me go over some of the features and what I really like about this headset. So first, it's Logitech. Now, I'm not employed or sponsored by Logitech, but I've had a lot of Logitech product over the years. It always seems to be well thought out, well made, and reasonably priced. So this headset is no different. If you travel and you want to throw these in a bag, they are foldable. I don't travel and I don't put these in a bag. I mean, I used to travel, but I don't travel anymore. And I certainly don't take these from the office. They stay in my office. They are adjustable up and down, of course. And your boom microphone is right there. Put that back so you get a better look at it. The call quality is very good. No one complains about not being able to hear me, and vice versa with hearing them. Because we have a good volume level here, we can turn up the volume anytime we want and go from quite quiet to quite loud, actually. Also on the side here, we have our phone answer button right here. Hold it down for 3 seconds. That turns the phone off. We also, on the same icon here, we have play and pause for music. And over here, a mute switch. On this side of the headphones, I've taken the door off. It's over here, actually. It just slides. It just pops in and then a little twist, and it closes that right up. But in this side, we have our battery, which is replaceable, and we also have a dongle. If you have a laptop that doesn't have Bluetooth, you can put this dongle into your laptop and it will pair up your headset. But since I don't need it, it stays here in storage. Call quality, I already talked about that. What about audio volume and audio quality when you're listening to music? Well, to me, it's perfectly fine. This is why I wanted to make this video, is because yesterday as I was listening to music while I was working, I thought, wow, these are really good headphones. I mean, these are $100 headphones. You can get them cheaper in some places, but it's unfair for me to compare these to maybe a set of headphones that cost 3 times as much, that's really meant for pure audio purposes. I don't think that's a fair comparison. I listened to music all day long yesterday, and I was really happy with the quality of music coming through the headset. On some videos that I've watched, there's the talk of noise pollution getting through the foam padding, because this headset sits on top of the ear, and you're going to get some noise bypass from your surrounding environment. But that's what you want in an office. I mean, I've got no problem walking around the office talking to people. It's almost like they're not even there. And yet, when I put my music back on, my music is right there. So I'm really happy with that. Battery life seems fine. I mean, I put them on in the morning. When I go to lunch, I plug them back in. Logitech rates them for 6 hours. I have no idea if that's accurate or not because of what I do. So at most, these would see 4 hours of usage from me, and so far so good. But yeah, I can't really say anything bad about them. I think they're a great little product. I think they're reasonably priced, and I think if you pick up a set, you'll be happy with them.